Zhongshan Changsheng Metal Products Company Limited, established in 1999, has specialized in the manufacture of wire shelving for home storage and commercial storage, exporting to over 80 countries. Cooperative customers more than 680% to Japan, Southeastern Asian, America, and EU market. We have been exporting over 45% to overseas e-commerce markets. Our factory covers an area of 42,000 square meters, has max monthly output 250 PCS 40-foot containers equipped with 70% of the most advanced automatic machines. All the production process, including surface finishes of chrome plating and powder coating, are produced by our own factory. We are approved by American NSF organization, audited by ISO 9001, BSCI, McDonald's, and Amazon. We are also awarded by Chinese market with famous brands, such as top 10 brands in the Chinese houseware industry and top 500 Chinese high-quality brands. We have in-house test room for salty spray test, coating corrosion test, loading test, and dropping test, etc. Besides, our products have been passed the quality test by CNAS, SGS, BVAN TUV. All these ensure us to obtain high reputation of stable quality and cost-effective in the shelf industry. New product design and development is operated in-house. We have our own 30 PCS patent design. Our target is to be the most professional factory of wire shelving industry. Welcome inquiries us.